Welcome back, Drink Stuff fans. In today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be talking to you about Awesome Drink's hot chocolate mix. This is the standard hot chocolate. We see that in there, rich and thick. Drink Stuff do sell 4 of them. Awesome Drinks, I do actually call them ODK because they are the people obviously behind the purees that I use and the syrups that I use and all that kind of stuff. You can see the little ODK label on the back there. Now, I'm not going to patronise you. I'm not going to tell you how to make a hot chocolate. But what I am going to do is give you my little flip. I've got 4 fun hot chocolate cocktail recipes for you to try out with this. Roughly time of shooting is just under £13. I think there's 33 servings per container in there, which basically nets down to about 39p. Done my maths in there, I was good at that. 39p per hot chocolate, which is an absolute bargain. So in today's video, I'm going to give you inspiration. That is what I'm all about. That is Drink Stuff's motto, inspiration, serving inspiration. And my motto is drinks inspiration. That's what I'm all about. So I've got 4 different kind of drinks going on for you. Let's dive straight into the first one. The first one I'm going to do for you, it's kind of a coffee, like a mocha kind of flip if you want. But those of you that watch my regular channel will know that I don't do too much with cream or milk because I'm a little bit delicate. So I don't actually use, even my coffees at home, I have like red top milk. So, but I do actually rock out quite a lot of these. So my cocktails, my hot chocolate cocktails today are gonna be using these. What I'm gonna do for you, the first one I'm gonna rock out for you is hazelnut. So I'm going to do hazelnut hot chocolate with coffee, essentially, with Kahlua. So the first one I'm going to do, let's rock it out in this glass here. I've got 4 different glasses to show you from Drink Stuff as well. We're going to start off with the obvious one, you know, we've had since the test of time. I'm going to have to heat these up in between each kind of recipe that I do, but I've got my steaming hot hazelnut milk there. We've got a little scoop inside as well. Now I have just adjusted, it does say that's a 30ml scoop, and I know the size of the glasses are actually a little bit bigger, so I'm going for a big heaped spoon of cocoa powder in here. There we go, and I've already I've actually measured out 200ml of hazelnut milk. Okay, so that should, I'll just do that in there. Just going to give this a little bit of stir with a whisk. I've got a little bit more in there. Stir it up. Okay, because you don't have to make hot chocolate with standard milk. Of course you don't. Or cream. There we go, that'll do. Can you see how thick that is as well? Right, let's just top that up. Right, so there we go. So for this one, as I say, I'm going to do Kahlua. But I've got a little fun flip for you coming as well. All right, so bear with me, stay with me on this one. So Kahlua, you could use any coffee liqueur if you want. If you don't like the sweetness, go for something like Mr. Black, because that is just literally like alcoholic espresso. Okay, there's no sugar in there at all. But for most people, Kahlua, Tia Maria, wherever you fancy. And again, whatever ratio you want to go for. I'm going 25ml. But just going 25ml in there. Proper. Leaves a bit of room on top. And there's another product I'm going to show you here in a second. Right, so that's all nicely blended in there. Let's just have a little try of this first. Oh, that is proper delicious, actually. Hazelnut milk. That's really good. The thing I wanted to do was just kind of show you different, because, you know, we top hot chocolates with like whipped cream, those squirty creams and all that stuff. I'm just going to show you don't have to. So I'm going 50ml of hazelnut milk on top here. All right, so that's my hazelnut done. And I've got this product as well. This is from the same people, ODK Awesome Drinks. It's their magic foamer. All right, and basically this just replaces egg whites, and this is a cool little thing. So if you've guessed what's going on here, we're going to do a frothy top on this with hazelnut milk. So about a quarter of a pipette in there. Now I'm just going to dry shake this. Glass goes on, and what you'll kind of see is hopefully this will kind of froth up a little bit. Oh, look at that. That's even after a couple of seconds. Look at that. Right, and then I'm just going to just kind of float this on top. Hopefully this should work. Lovely jubbly. Bit of froth on top. Look at that there. Bit of froth on the bottom. Lovely jubbly. But there we go. And to garnish, I've got some of these as well. I've picked up some marshmallows. I've picked up some chocolate sprinkles. So just to pick, this is standard, you know. I'm not going to tell you, oh, this is how to stick some marshmallows on the top. I'm here for cocktail inspiration. So I've got some marshmallows on top of this one. So that is a hazelnut and Kahlua. All right, hazelnut and that. So kind of like a mocha, express choc, whatever you want to go, but with hazelnut milk. So that's the first one. Oh, that's proper tasty, that is. Right then, the second one. I told you I'm going to be very clever with the old editing here. The second one we're going to do, it's kind of like an orange and cinnamon hot chocolate as well. Let's pop that to that side. And I've just heated up some almond milk this time. So the next glass we're going to go for, let's go for this one. Kind of like that one. Again, we're going to do exactly the same thing. These are slightly bigger glasses, so I'm going to go for a decent heaped spoon in there. 175 ml of almond milk going in there. So just do that to start off with and just give this a good stir. These are proper thick hot chocolate. Really like that. And the smell is amazing. Love my hot chocolate. Put in your comments below, what's your favourite kind of hot chocolate sort of mixes? What do you get up to? Pop the rest of that in now. Lovely jubbly. Right, now for this one, say cinnamon and orange hot chocolate. That is what I'm going for in here. So with the almond, cinnamon, orange. Lovely jubbly. Right. Oh, so good. Right, for this one, orange liqueur. I'm going for my favourites, which I always rock out, which is Fortunate. It's actually a kumquat liqueur. Can you see that in a close-up? It's actually a kumquat liqueur, but think Grand Marnier, orange curacao. You could go Cointreau, you could go triple sec, anything like that. 25 ml, that's what I want in there. So chocolate and orange, we know that works very, very well. And as we're coming up to Christmas, we kind of want, I like a little bit of cinnamon in there. So I'm just going for a bit of cinnamon. Where's ODK? Yeah, there we go. Let's keep it on brand. Look, cinnamon syrup. I've just been shooting, wherever it's gone, just been shooting Monin. There we go. So I've got Monins there as well, look. But let's keep it on brand. And I'm just going to do 15 ml of, actually 10 ml, that'll do, of cinnamon in there. So we've got cinnamon, orange, hot chocolate. Let's give that a good stir through. Right, and then I'm going to do exactly the same thing in here with the froth. There we go. Then obviously this would work a lot better actually if it was slightly heated. But let's just layer this over the top. Now one thing I want to do for this, right, there we go. Now the one thing I kind of want to do differently on this, yes, you could do marshmallows, and yes, I am going to do a little bit of chocolate. What should we go for? This, is it called vermicelli, this one? A little bit of chocolate over there. But what I actually want to do for this one is just get an orange, and just this is battered orange that I've been using a minute ago. I'm just going to grate some orange zest over the top. Lovely, jubbly. Get that fresh. Oh, that's amazing. So we've got proper orange, cinnamon and orange hot chocolate going on there. Oh yeah, big fan of that. Right then, the third hot chocolate I'm going to get onto as well. This big favourite of mine, this one. Love coconut and hot chocolate. So I've got the cold coconut Alpro there. Let's go for this one. So again, I'm going to do the big old scoop of hot chocolate in there. Lovely jubbly. So these are just slightly bigger glasses. All these glasses will be linked below in the show notes, in the description. I've just actually heated up slightly more than what I need. So I'm going to do a hot foam on the end, on top there. Flipping hot. 150. Woo, that's hot. Actually, let's do that just to start off with. Is that all blended in? That'll do, that'll do, that'll do. Where do we get to? You want a bit more there. Tiny, tiny bit more, and that should leave enough. Hopefully this foam will be even better than those. They look good still, but hopefully this foam will be even better. So what are we going to do for this one? So we've got coconut milk, and that already... Oh, that already tastes amazing. But what I'm going to do... where's it gone? This one. I'm going to do a coconut tequila. You could do coconut rum. Be my guest. Even Malibu, you know, coconut liqueur like Malibu. That would work. But I just love this. Cascabel coconut tequila. 25ml of that. Tequila and hot chocolate. Why not, eh? Why not? So I'm just going to do a bit of that. Give it a good old stir through. What's that taste like straight away? Naughty. That's what it tastes like. Right. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. If you've got a proper steamer, what they call the wands, I think that'll work even better. If you're in a coffee shop, or if you're posh and you've got a proper machine at home. But there we go. Nice bit of frothage on top, bit of foam. And then to garnish this, let's go back to our marshmallows. You could just have a bit of fun. If you've got some desiccated coconut or something like that, you could put that on top. There we go. We've got white chocolate here. White chocolate and coconut. So there we go. That's a coconut tequila hot chocolate. Oh, I don't know which I like best. Right, now for the final one. Let's just put these away. I've gone my red top milk. So I've heated up some red top milk here. Let's go to a standard sort of glass. And I know this is a little bit smaller than those last two that I've used. So let's do a level thing of hot chocolate in there. As I say, comments below. Let me know your hot chocolate, boozy hot chocolate recipes. What have you got in your lockers, hey? Hot red top. So I'm going 150. Right, there we go. Perfect there. Plenty left in there for the foam as well. Let's just stir that through. I am going for a mint liqueur, hot chocolate and mint. This is Giffard's creme de menthe essentially, but a clear one. Again, go as boozy as you like, as minty as you like. I'm just going 15ml in here. But the one thing I love doing with mints is rum. Oh, that's like proper vibrant in there. And I'm going, what rum shall I use? Let's go a bit of Captain Morgan's dark rum. I'm just going 15ml of dark rum in here as well. Be my guest, use whatever you fancy on there. So this is kind of a rum and mint hot chocolate. Again, stir that through. Let's taste this. Oh, oh, that is so good. That is so good. Right, let's do the froth on this one. Might need to spoon that. Might have got too much. Need to spoon. Get that. Perfect. Right, and then for this one, again, I'm drinking these. I'm drinking these marshmallows, but whatever you fancy, you could, if you've got an after eight, grate an after eight up on top, or something like that. What different stuff have we got here? Let's go for this one. But there we go. Here's my boozy hot chocolates. So we've got chocolate and mint. We've got coconut. We've got orange and cinnamon. And we've got our first one, hazelnut and coffee. I've no idea which one I prefer. Oh, they're all so good. They're all so good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. As I've said many times, let me know your hot chocolate recipes, your boozy hot chocolate recipes in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.